Is your Dota Force gameplay looking a bit rough, or is your PC struggling to keep up? Learn how to dive into the graphic settings and optimize your visual experience for performance or stunning visuals. Changing graphic settings in Dota Force is crucial for balancing visual quality and game performance, especially on PC. You'll typically find all these options within the in-game settings menu. So, what you want to do is, from your in-game menu, click on the top right corner with the settings icon. There, navigate the graphics tab. Then scroll down for a second till you get to the section labeled Basic Graphics. There, you can opt to choose from selected graphic presets or manually change different settings on your own. A little further down, there should also be the option to change Advanced Graphics if you want to go a bit deeper. Once you've made the required changes, click on the Apply button on the bottom right corner. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon. Bye bye.